Hi everyone. Good evening, guys, all of you. So, all of you audible? Okay, right. So, yesterday we taken some examples on single row subquery, and finally we find out here second highest salary details whenever you want to find out. So, we are writing subquery like this here. So, we are using like where salary is less than of one more select query we are writing here select max of salary. Okay, so from EMP. So first and second clause. So this is second highest salary when you want to find out here. So we are writing like this, guys. Okay, now in the same to same, suppose the next question is what now? For example, we need to find out here third highest salary if we want to find out. Okay, for example, the next question is what now? Third highest salary if you need to find out. Third highest salary. So when you find third highest salary, then how we can write this query? Okay, how you can write the third highest salary here? Let you see. Select star from EMP where salary is equals to select max of salary. Salary is equals to okay, select max of salary is equals to select max of salary from EMP where salary less than of where salary less than of so entire query once you have to see, guys, here. Okay, this entire query, suppose if I want to use here, let you come back to open. Now this is your table, and the third highest salary I need to find out. So I was written this much query here, guys. So select a star from where salary is equals to. There are multiple inner queries we written. So almost three queries we written, guys. And now I'm executing C. The third highest salary information we got it. The third highest salary information we got it. Okay, right. But guys, you are observed. So first of all, you all of you know first inner query executed, later second inner query, and later third. So I already explained to you yesterday one by one how it is. Okay, now so the third highest we find out. That's okay. But here one problem is there. For example, suppose if you go to any interview, suppose the interview person is asking to you, okay, to find out here, so 30th highest salary I need to find out now. So 30th highest salary employee I need to find out. But as per this scenario, can you see, as per this scenario, what it was happen? If I want to find out first highest salary, then we return two queries we used here. If I want to write the second highest salary, we used here three queries we used. If you find out third highest salary, we used four queries. Let you see four queries are writing or not. So this is first query, second, third, and fourth. So four queries are written. So that means by seeing of this mechanism, what you understand, guys, here, So how it was working is, if you want to find out n the highest salary, then we are writing how many times, guys, here? N plus 1 times we are writing. Okay, we are writing how many times here? N plus 1 times we are writing. For example, your question is, if I want to find out the 30th highest salary, if you want to find out 30th highest salary, so that means, tell me, guys, so how many, if I want to find out 30th highest salary, then how many queries I need to write, guys? Yeah, 31 queries we need to write. Okay, now suppose if we are using another one, suppose one person is asking 50th highest salary, then we are writing how many here? 51 times we are writing. Okay, the point is clear now, right? So this is what it was going to be happening, guys. This is what it was going to be happening. Okay, now so now what we want to do, so this is one of the problem here. So we can't write here the 30th means 31 times. So who will write it? So we can't write like this. Okay, we can't write like this. So then how to overcome this problem? So somebody is asking, questioning us, sir, these many times we need to write, why we want to write these many times, or these many queries, why we need to write it? Okay, now so we can't go for like this in real-time applications. Okay, now then what we want to do and how to overcome this problem? Okay, so now this problem to overcome purpose, okay, we will see in correlated mechanisms, but the correlated mechanism I will start after non-correlated will be complete. Okay, now so up to there it will be holding here. Okay, up to there it will be holding, and later I will show you guys. Okay, now later I will show you, right? Now so you just wait up to correlated. So in correlated, this problem how to overcome we taken. Okay, now right. And the second category, second one is what now? Multiple row subqueries. Multiple row subquery. So multiple row subquery, when we call means when a subquery returns, when a subquery returns more than one value is called as multiple row subquery. It's called as multiple row subquery. Okay, now right. And in this multiple row subquery, in this, okay, so multiple row subquery, okay, we can use the following operators. We can use the following operators are. So which kind of operators I can use means, here I can use in operator, any operator, all operators. So these operators we can go to use it in multiple row subquery. In, any, and all. In, any, and all. Okay, now right. So now one example, let us see. So already in operator we already know. Okay, we previously in our basics we discussed, but any and all operator, these are the two special operators, those we will discuss in these examples. Okay, no, right. So now one of example, observe. Write a query to display employee who are getting maximum salary from each job, who are getting maximum salary from each job. So from each job, which employee is getting maximum salary, that employee details I want to display on my screen. Okay, now I want to display on my screen. So let you see, guys, here. So this is our EMP table. Here jobs column, you can see there are few jobs, are the different jobs: clerk, salesman, manager, analyst, president. Okay, so my question is what now? From each job wise, which employee is getting maximum salary? Okay, from each job wise, which employee is getting maximum salary? So now, for example, let you see, guys, here we have here clerk. So clerk people, these are total in clerk, there are 4 employees are there. So one clerk is 800 and two more clerks are there, 11 and 950, and one clerk salary 1300. Now tell me guys, in clerk job, highest salary how much? What is the highest salary in clerk job? Yes. So highest salary how much here? 1300 is highest salary. So like this, each job wise I need to find out. Okay. So first of all, inner join I want to write. Select job comma max of salary from EMP. Which class I want to use? Group by. On which column? Job. So clerk job highest salary 1300, salesman 1600, president 5000, manager 2975, and year analyst 3000. So there are 5 jobs are there. In 5 jobs, maximum salary employees we get it. Okay, now we are getting maximum salary employees. Later, what it was happened, guys, who are getting these? That means who are getting this maximum salary? Those employee information, employee details I wanted. That means outer query I'm writing. What is outer query? Select a star from EMP. The sal of in operator I'm using because multiple values here. In inner query is what now? Select max of salary from EMP, and I'm using what now? Group by job. Okay now, and let you see, select a star from EMP where sal in of select a max of salary from EMP group by. Now let you see executed. So now each job highest salary people. So Miller is the highest salary person in clerk job 1300, and Ellen is the highest salary person in salesman job, and King is the highest salary person in president job, and Jones is the highest salary person in manager job, and Fraud and Scott, these are highest salary persons in your analyst job, yes sir. So these are each job wise we are finding maximum salary employee details. Okay na? Right. So this is how we can go to callers, guys. How we can go to callers. Same to same in operator. Okay. So already we know how it was working. So that was we know. But here new operators are there. What is the new operators here? Any or all. So what is the any and all? Let you see, guys. So working with any comma all. Okay, let us see. First of all, the definitions we will see. What is any? So any in the name only, that any. So this operator is used to comparing any of the value, comparing any of the values in the given list. Okay, comparing any one of the value in the given list. Okay now. So now here carefully observe. This operator is used to comparing any of the values in the given list. Okay. So any one of the value in the given list is true, then it returns true. Okay. Any here, otherwise I can any one of the values in the given list is true, then it return a value. Okay. Now what is the mean by this? Let us see small example I will explain to you. Suppose example, carefully observe, guys. So some x is greater than any of some list of value 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay na? So x greater than any of 10 comma 20 comma 30. Now here I will pass it now. Suppose x is equals to I'm sending here 40. So now carefully observe this x value 40, you need to substitute in the place of x. And now that means now x value 40. So how it was comparing this 40, let you see guys here, the 40 is comparing like this. So 40 is greater than any of this value. Now you can see 40 is greater than 10. Condition true or false? Come on guys. 40 is greater than 10. Condition true or false? Yes, condition true. Next, 40 is greater than, next, 40 is greater than 20. 40 is greater than 20. Condition true or false? True. Here also true. Next, 40 is greater than 30. 40 is greater than 30. Condition true or false? True. So that means here in the list, how many values are there? That all list values are satisfied. That means all are true. Then all are true, then what it was written? So x is equals to 40 returns, x is equals to 40 returns true. Returns true. Okay now? Now for example, next one. X is equals to 9 I was given. Then you just compare 9. So now 9 comparing. 9 is greater than 10. Condition true or false? Come on guys. Condition true or false? False. Next. 9 is greater than 20. Condition true or false? False. Next. 9 is greater than 30. Condition true or false? False. So here each and every value compared, but all are false. Then what you say guys here? So what do you say guys here? So it returns what it was written here? False. It returns false. Okay now? So like the same to same, I just go to next. So for example, next one I'm giving here. X is equals to 25 I was given. Then this x value substitute in the place of x greater than any. So now I'm passing 25. Then what was happen? Okay, x is equals to 25. Now is greater than 10. Condition true or false? Condition true. Okay, next. 25 is greater than 20. 25 is greater than 20. So it is also true. Next. 25 is greater than 30. 25 is greater than 30. This is what now? False. But what we said, two values are true, one false. But here any operator, what I said, any one of the value in the given list is true, then it returns value, and it returns a value. So that means what I say, so now 25 is also, what you can say guys here, it is also true. Understand my point now? Yes. So this is any operator working nature. Same to same all. Let you see all operator, what it was happened. It is used to compare. Okay, so all values in the given list is true, then only return a value. So all. So in the given list, how many values are there? That each and every value I need to compare, and that each and every value must be true, then only true. That is all are satisfied, then only return value. Okay, now the same example, let you see guys here. X greater than all of 10, 20, 30. Then x is equals to first one is 40. X is equals to first one 40. Let you see to compare. So x greater than x greater than 10. So condition true. So your x value means how much, guys, here? X value means how much, guys, here? 40. Yes or no? X value means how much here? 40. So now it was taking like now. So 40 is greater than 10. So condition true. Next, 40 is greater than 20. Next value, 40 is greater than 20. This is also true. Next, 40 is greater than 30. It is also true. That means all values in the list are true. All values in the list are true. So then it returns true. Then it returns true. Okay now. So now next, x is equals to 0, 9. Suppose if I want to give 0, 9. If I'm giving 0, 9, let you see. So 9 greater than 10. 9 greater than 10, what happened, guys, here? False. Okay. Next, 9 is greater than 20. This is also false. Next, 9 is greater than, okay, 30. So this is also false. So all are false. Then it returns false only. Next one. X is equals to 25. So x is equals to 25. Now you just compare. 25 is greater than 10. It is a true. Next, 25 is greater than 20. So this is also true. Next one, 25 is greater than 30. And this is false. So here two conditions are true, one condition is false. But all operator, what it was telling, all are true, then only true. All values are true, then only true. Okay now, if any one value false, false. So that means what it was written here? It returns false. Okay now. So these are the working nature of any all. So any means any one in the list is true, then return value. All means all values are true, then only return value. Okay now. So this is we called as a any and all. Okay. Let you see one example. Write a query to display employee whose salary is more than any salesman salary. Any salesman salary. Okay, the question understand now? So what is my question? I want to display employee whose salary is more than any salesman salary. So that means one salesman salary above is there, then it returns true. Then it returns value. Okay. So now let you come back here. Now carefully observe. So this is our table. First, what I want to do, salesman salaries I have to call. So where job is equals to salesman. Now these are the salesman salaries, guys. More than one value. So one salesman salary is 1600. Two salesman salaries 1250, and one more salesman salary 1500. So these are some more than one value written by subquery. Now what I am doing here, any one of the salesman salary, if it is more than of employee, so if it is more than, okay, it is a more than of salesman, so that employee salary information I have to display. Okay, now let you see how to write now. Select a star from EMP where salary is more than any of actually here what happened, 1600. So 1250, 1250 and 1500 actually. This is inner query. So for example, 800 is the first employee 800. Now 800 you can compare guys. First employee 800. So 800 I'm comparing of 1600 more than means no false. This is false. This is false and this is also false. That means here all are false. All are false means then it returns false only na. Then it returns false only na. Yes or no? Yes, it returns false only. Okay now. Suppose here we have here 1600 is there. The second one is what? No, 1600 is there. 1600 you can compare. 1600 is greater than 1600, false. 1600 is greater than 1250, true. 1600 is greater than 1250, true. 1600 is greater than 1500, true. So 3 true, 1 false. But here I am saying here what now? Any one of the false, sorry, any one of the true, then return true. So that means this employee is returning. This employee name is what now? Alan. So like this, it was going to be searching guys, each and every employee salary and displaying now. But I can't write like this here now. So what you need to write guys here? What I need to write here? Subquery. What is a subquery? Select sal from EMP where job is equals to salesman. The job is equals to salesman. Now you can see, okay, so King, Fraud, Scott, Jones, Blake, Clark, Allen, Turner. So these are the more than of any one of the salesman salary. More than of any one of the salesman salary. Okay now? Right. In the same to same, for example, same question I'm asking. Write a query to display employee whose salary is more than all salesmen salaries. More than all salesmen salaries. Okay now? So all salesmen salaries. Let you see. So the syntax is same. There is no change. Just I'm using my operator all. And my inner query is also same as it is. I will take it. Okay now? Right. Now see, to executed, only 6 people are there. So these people's salaries are 2975, 28, 24, 3, 5, 3. So these people are all salesmen salaries. Okay, compared to all salesmen salaries, these 6 employees are having more than say all salesmen salaries. More than all salesmen salaries. Okay, now, so this is what we called as guys here. Okay, any and all operators how to work. Okay, now, so that means here multiple row subqueries. Like this, I was given so many examples in the documentation. Okay, now, so those you can practice it. So multiple row subqueries are supporting only these 3 operators only supported. So other than these 3 operators, the remaining operators we cannot support here. Okay, right? These 3 operators only supported, right? So other than these 3 we can't. And the next operator, what now guys here? In non-correlated, so single row subquery we design and multiple row subquery also we design. And what is the next one is multiple column subquery. What is the next one is multiple column subquery. So but this multiple column subquery, how it was working, okay, and how why this multiple column subquery is introduced by people and how it was working. Okay now, so those guys, those we will that information we will see on Monday session guys. Because so tomorrow I'm on leave, so tomorrow there is no class, and tomorrow no class, and Sunday as usual, so no class, and your next class is Monday guys. Okay now, your next class is Monday. So Monday we will discuss about a multiple column subquery. Okay, Monday we will discuss about a multiple column subquery. Okay now, so tomorrow and day after tomorrow no classes. Your next class on Monday session. Clear now? Right, yes, because today I'm stopping because I have some little bit work, so that's why I'm stopping today. Okay, and we will meet on Monday session. Okay now? Right guys, thank you so much.